Tonight, car break-ins are on the rise in San Francisco. SFPD reports in the city's central district, which includes tourist destinations such as Fisherman's Wharf. The number of auto burglaries has jumped dramatically. The problem has gotten so bad that some businesses are taking even more steps to try to help out their customers. KRON 4's Dan Thorne live for us in the city tonight. He joins us with more on the return of this very troublesome, long-term, aggravating, annoying, just driving people crazy trend. Dan?
That's right, Ken. Specifically here in Fisherman's Wharf, the trend has gotten really bad with the return of tourism. There's been the return of car break-ins. There is broken glass in parking spots all over this area, and lots of unsuspecting people are coming back to their cars and finding their valuables are gone. It's scenes like this that are becoming the norm in San Francisco's Central District. Burglars breaking into cars and making a getaway. The return of the troubling trend is bad for business.
A large percentage of the people that are getting hit by the smash and grabbers are my customers. It's absolutely devastating. I feel responsible.
Tourist spots like Blazing Saddles Bike Rentals and Fisherman's Wharf are seeing these crimes happening every day. SFPD reports citywide auto burglaries are still down this year, but in the Central District, it's a different story. Smash and grabs have jumped nearly 139% in 2021.
Honestly, I thought the number would have been a lot higher than that.
Signs throughout the area warn people to not leave their valuables behind as they venture away from their cars. Sean Sears has been handing out these drawn-up signs for customers to put in their car windows. Sears says there's been some success with the signs, but overall, thefts continue to plague the area. Like in this video, showing a man who had to be fought off from stealing a pair of bikes from the rental company.
It doesn't just affect the merchants. It doesn't just affect the business owners. It affects everybody from top to bottom. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing for me, especially as a San Francisco native.
Well, the big concern now for this district is if this crime is going to be keeping people from wanting to visit this area. As we know, Fisherman's Wharf was hurt pretty bad financially during the pandemic. SFPD says that they are going to be working to enforce these crimes and working to prevent these crimes, but they are asking people to remain vigilant. Ken?
All right.